Burna Boy, the outsider who became a giant. Before the world called him the African giant, Burna Boy was just a boy from Port Harcourt, angry, exiled, and misunderstood. Damini was born in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. His mother, Bose Ogulu, a linguist, would later guide his path to success. Growing up listening to afrobeat and hip-hop, Burna Boy was never the quiet type. He was bold and expressive. At 17, Burna Boy moved to the UK for school, but faced hardships that would test his spirit. Legal troubles hit hard, leading to his arrest and deportation back to Nigeria. But that would ignite his passion. In this isolation, Burna Boy turned pain into rhythm, producing beats that resonated with his struggles. By 2012, Burna released Like to Party, weaving Afrobeat with his unique sound, grabbing everyone's attention. He wasn't polished, but his raw energy gave him power. His debut album, Life, made waves. Burna Boy went independent, building a cult following who resonated with his authenticity and passion. Then came Outside in 2018, reshaping the music landscape as Ye became an unexpected anthem. With his next album, African Giant, in 2019, Burna made another bold statement to the world. In 2020, he won the Grammy for Best Global Music Album for Twice as Tall, proving the world wrong. Burna Boy became a voice for modern African pride, echoing Fela's spirit in his music. His music wasn't westernized, it was purely African, reminding people to embrace their roots. In 2023, Burna made history, headlining Wembley Stadium, embraced by 60,000 fans singing his name. The same UK that once rejected him now celebrated him. A true redemption story. Burna Boy isn't perfect. He's loud and controversial, but real. A movement, not just an artist. Tomorrow we explore the life of a boy from Surulere who became a global star boy. WizKid's story is next. Subscribe to Naija Sound Stories and keep the rhythm alive.